Hey everyone, I wanted to show you how the Frieling Racing iBoot system works. The iBoot is a way to do ECUs in boot mode that is provided by Frieling Racing. So besides having the iBoot application, you're going to need the Frieling Racing master cable as well as the required protocol for your cable. So today we're going to do a quick overview of doing it with a Can-Am Maverick X3 ECU, which is the Bosch ME17.8.5. So here we have the ECU that's been opened up. It's on our anti-static pad, and we have our master cable plugged into our bench flash tool. The wires simply plug in. You have 2 power, a ground, can high, can low. And we're using a power supply here. So what you have to do is once you get the ECU open and you get all the wires connected, is you need to start it in boot mode. So we're going to go ahead and put our pin here on the boot pin. And then we're going to turn the power supply on. All right, with the boot pin connected, we're going to turn on our power supply. Now the boot pin does not need to stay on there the whole time, just to put the processor in boot mode. So we're going to pull that off. Now we're going to go back over to our application. And we need to select the configuration type, which on this is going to be, for the Can-Am, we are using the there you go, EDC17 is the same protocol that we need, even though it's a different ECU. Select, I hit next, next, and now here we can choose to read the processor or the eeprom, or check both. So we can check processor, hit OK, and we would save it as what we need. Hit save. We've already done this, so it's there. And you can see it going through and reading out the memory. This way you can save the full 1504 kilobyte original and also save the 32 kilobyte eeprom, so you have separate, that way you can always do a backup. Now writing the file is the same process. You would just choose program ECU memory and choose eeprom or processor. And once you finish doing the readout, you can open it up in any file editor, make your changes, save it, and then flash it back. So pretty simple process using the Frieling Racing iBoot, and you can always check out more frieling-group.com, or drop us a comment or send us an email to sales@frieling-group.com.